Let's make this beautiful sunflower. For this we require 3 yarns, yellow, green and brown, and a 3.3 mm hook. All these yarn are Olivia yarn. We'll start with the green part, so I'll make a magic ring. Make a chain just for the height and start making 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Here we have made 6 single crochet. We will close the magic ring and make a slip stitch in the first chain. For round 2, again I will add a chain just to match the height, and from the next chain we will start making 2 single crochet in each chain. This is an increase. We will mark every round. So after completing the round 2, I will remove the stitch marker, and in the same place I will make a slip stitch to complete round 2. So before making a slip stitch, make sure you count the stitches in each row. Row 2 will be having 12 single crochet. Moving on to row 3, I will make a chain to match the height. Then next chain will be a single crochet and then an increase. Increase means 2 single crochet in each chain. We will continue this throughout and complete round 3. 1 single crochet and then an increase. Don't forget to mark your first stitch. At the end of round 3, I will be having 18 single crochet. Moving on to row 4, add a chain for the height and make 1 single crochet in the next chain. Another single crochet and then make an increase. Repeat till the end of this row and make a slip stitch to complete it. Here I have reached the end of round 4. After counting the stitches, I will be making a slip stitch in the first chain. Here I will be having 24 single crochet. To complete the middle part of the sunflower, I will make a chain and pull out the yarn. Now using the brown yarn and the same pattern, I will make another piece in brown color. Now hiding all the tails in between and placing the wrong side facing each other so that you have brown on one side and green on the other. Brown is the front part, so I will start making the petals from front. Just insert the hook under any chain from the brown and the green part and pull out the yellow color. Now let's make 2 chains. In the next chain, make a double crochet and a triple crochet in the same space. Make sure you are inserting the needle from both brown and green part. Now make 2 chains and insert the hook in the first chain and make a slip stitch. This gives the pointed end to the sunflower petal. Now we'll continue making a triple crochet and double crochet in the next chain. It is a very slow tutorial, so you can follow each step clearly. Now after completing the petal, now to end it, we will make 2 chains and make a slip stitch in the next chain. You can do the next petal along with me and then repeat the same pattern for all the petals. After making around 5 petals, I will slightly stuff the middle part so it looks like a 3D flower. Repeating the same pattern, complete all the petals, and in the end, after making 2 chains, make a slip stitch from where we had started, in the place where we had started. Now to end, just make a chain and pull the loop and cut the yarn. Now let's hide this tail using a needle, and we are done. Using the sunflower, you can make a lot of beautiful things. You can skip the green part and just make the brown part and the petals. This will give you a flat sunflower which can be used as decorations on your clothes, or you can use it as a gift stamp. After wrapping the cover, you can just add a sunflower there, and there are a lot of creative ways of using this particular flower. Just add chains and make it a back charm. Use a key ring and use it as a keychain. Use it as a hair clip. For more such simple step by step tutorials, like, share, and subscribe Little Loops.